In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get back archived stories on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app. And once it is done, just tap right here to go to your profile. Then tap at these three lines at the top right corner to head over to the settings and activity, and that's where you can easily find this archive option. So first off, you need to get into it and then make sure that at the top here it says stories archive. It may also say here posts archive in that way, and then you need to tap right here and select stories archive, and what that will do, that will show you all the stories that are currently in your archive. Then we can go through that list to check all of them, and then let's say if you would like to share some of these stories again to your profile, then just select that story, then hit share right there, and then tap here where it says your story. And also from here we can add any archived story to the highlight just by tapping right here at highlight. Then we can create new highlight here and hit add to add this story to the created highlight. In order for your stories to be saved here, you need to make sure that you have, if we go to settings here, that you have this option enabled. It is called Save Story to Archive, and it has to be enabled to save any of your expired stories to the Stories archive, and after that you will be able to get them back from here. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.